We're working on a lumber building today. Trying to get it lined up. Years ago it slid over the hillside, so we're slid down about 6-8 inches, so we're gonna try to put the fix on him, set you all up where you can see. How bad was the screws installed on? Huh? How bad was the screws installed?
Okay, so here's the deal. You see where I'm pointing over there? Them joints up there. It's hard to explain, but we undermined the building. Started undermining over there in the sawdust pit, and then the boys were sawing hickory, trying to get the hickory finished up. Corona hickory. While I'm editing this right now, it's about a week after this video actually happened, and while I'm editing this, we are open back up in June, so Corona has not got a chokehold on us, but it did slow us down a little bit. So we took advantage of the slowdown time, which we don't get very often, and we decided Big Daddy wanted to fix this building, which you can see by the ladders there. See how the building droops down?
So what happened is the building years ago started to slide over the hill because we have this open ground out here. So the building's kind of, and the concrete's caving off. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix the building, get it back where it belongs. And once we get it back where it belongs, we're going to come in here and nest a little mini dent in and cut in and do our thing, and then break up our concrete, get our concrete out of here, put steel in the ground, put steel all around, and put it back right is what the idea is. But I want to get this building straight, so when you get done, right now the roof line, you might not be able to see it on video here, but the roof line, after about that post, it's kind of, the building kind of runs downhill and kind of angles out as a whole. So we're just kind of averaging everything out where it matches and putting it back solid.
So our plan of attack here is we're going to jack up the building. We got to cut loose the braces up there at the trusses. Here's the jack and the jack pole we made. And we got to bust loose the brace from the posts. So because we got to wiggle the building. See how I pushed on that 6x6 and wiggled it? We got to wiggle the building, raise the building, and then when we get done, put the brace post back and work on the outside there.
Well, Stevie comes up with another good idea. He said, why don't we ratchet, because we got to set them up and down, then we got to go in and out, but they all got to be pulled out. They're all pulling in. So Stevie said, let's hook up a ratchet strap. So we're going to just start ratchet strapping on, because we drove in like piling years ago with a post driver, with the cow post driver. So them's all in the ground deep, so we can pull the building out to it and set it down on there until I get some steel bracketry made to hold them onto them posts. He smarted me.
You about ready?
Yep. What you got?
Okay, measure. Okay, we need to go 3/4 of an inch almost. There's the easy now. One more quick. Whoa. That's it. What the hell was that? Oh, you're popping up there. Alright, got our shims. Got thinner shims? Need to go up a hair. It's already up a hair. If we go up a hair and put a thick one under it, it'll Junkyard. Give her the wood. Yeah. Lucky I didn't get her.
You want a thinner one? Yeah, I got a thinner one. Perfect. Good job, bud. Good job, bud. All right, I'm gonna kill the power. Need that little piece of exhaust pipe too. That's my height, my 18 inches. This one here, it's gonna be custom. Yeah. Okay, they're cutting their concrete. Stevie's organizing that. Yeah, that's fine. I'll just work around y'all. Yeah, go ahead. There's wire down in it. Should I start on the edge and work up? I can't tell you. I have no idea. I've never done yellow with it. If you want to cheat, start down here where it ain't that big a deal. Well, suit yourself if you're worried about whatever we can do. We can't grab that new concrete. Start the edge right there. Me and Junkie's putting these straps on. That ain't pulling in very good though, is it?
That thing at the bottom, I was going to take a hammer and beat it over.
Yeah, I would.
Because my screw, I was going to pull my threads out.
Yeah, don't pull your threads out over it. Here's some they did pull in. The thinner ones pull in okay. Oh, that's slick. All right, here we are. We're set up. We'd worked all day, and them guys had worked all day running production. They ran hickory till after dinner, and then they went over to pallet room and ran pallet over there. So Mullins grabbed a concrete saw. He's a very intelligent type of dude. Hartwick and Roger. Hartwick is Roger's son. Those of you don't know that. So Hartwick and Roger, they're throwing stuff in the bucket and trying to help off bear the jackhammer. Junkyard is rolling up straps right now, but he'd been fastening the post. Stevie is masking out for the concrete saw. And Ari, he grabbed the jackhammer. And of course, he was asking me things about jackhammer. I said, buddy, I ain't never ran a jackhammer. I don't know crap about jackhammer. And Ari, he's full of spunk. He's a spunky kid. We're all really impressed with him and really happy with him. So he just hammering away. And then there's Mullins doing his thing there. And of course, we put Mullins on the concrete saw because he's kind of a
Mullins is very intelligent, and he's the type of guy we figured since it's a new thing for all of us, we put Mullins on it and he'll figure it out pretty smartly. So all the guys come together, do a really good job, all in this like a drop of a hat. I think I got this thing sped up 200%. It was already like a time lapse, but I think this went down in like 2 hours. All this happened in 2 hours. Now the jackhammer didn't get very far because we're all studying it and learning it. And the next day they did a bunch of the jackhammering, and they end up jackhammering around the posts to where a loader can come in with the forks on it and carry the concrete pieces out in chunks. But either way, Mullins had to cut down so they could get the concrete busted away from the concrete underneath the deck that's going to stay for now, and start getting this crapped up stuff on the outside out of here so we could start building something back from something.
Cut that water off.
Well, let me bring it back in the morning. I'll be here first thing. Yeah. I'll be here before you get out of bed.
I doubt that. That grinder belongs to the mill.
Oh, it's a mill grinder? All right. Yeah, hell, let him steal it on here. This is where it made. Concrete's all got metal. And you say all of it's got metal in it?
All of it. That's why it's taken. You see it right here.
Well, yeah, but I was thinking, Carrie, I thought this section didn't.
Well,
Nope, there's metal in it right there. You can
It's
see
got
it.
rebar and metal, so. Yeah,
So it's going to be like it's the whole
got
way.
like 3 layers
whole
of
way.
Yeah.
that graded shit and then rebar
Yeah.
in between it. Be fun.
Yeah. Hey, it all pays the same.
Yep.
Let's get out of here right quick.
quick one, y'all.
Right quick.
God damn, I gotta do it all.
It's dinner time right quick. Right quick. See if you can get out here, Stevie. See what you got. Yeah. He's rumbling. Oh, yeah? Wait a minute, get in my truck. Hey, was I gonna hit this vise? Oh, rock calling. You're just gonna get too low for him to push you. Oh, Stevie, you're... Huh? All right, go, Stevie. Don't be scared of it. Scared of it, wasn't he? Got chicken, backed off. It's that low interest rate. Ain't got enough interest rate to go. We had this daggone. Yeah. Yeah, take the red truck up if you want. Well, I can sit down here. It's all right. Yeah, it ain't the first time. It ain't gonna be like it. Yeah. So which one of these bits is for fornication? Yeah. Well, one of these guys is wanting to get this toy here for some fornication purposes, and I don't know which bit he's going to use, but to each their own, I suppose. I ain't gonna judge him. I don't care who goes in what bathroom or what all that mess. I got something to do with it. I don't know. Hey everybody, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the buttons and leave me likes, comments, stuff. Let me know what's up. And to anybody's wanting Logger Wade gear, go to loggerwade.com and help yourself at the shop there. And we got all that good mess. Take care of it. And mostly just want to say thanks, everybody. Hope everybody has a good one later on.